of the most commonly asked questions that I receive is, will my landlord paint and clean my apartment before I move in?
Watch this quick video for the answer, and please subscribe so that you don't miss any of my other videos. Hi, I'm Phil, the founder of Frele, the free and honest rental marketplace where you can find your next home.
And I'm Caroline Bass, associate broker with the Bass team at the Corcoran Group. This rental tip
comes to you from a townhouse in the West Village. Often overlooked by tenants is what condition will the apartment be in on move-in day.
Never make any assumptions about the type of condition the apartment will be in the day you move in. Always ask before you sign your lease.
There are some basic guidelines of things you could expect in most instances. For example,
apartments should be completely emptied out before your big move-in day.
The landlord should deliver the apartment in broom-swept condition.
Most landlords will even paint the apartment, especially if the last tenant was there for a number of years.
A few landlords I know will even sand and polyurethane the floors before you move in. I wouldn't expect this though.
Regardless of your expectations, you should always try and visit the apartment a few days prior to your move-in.
This is great for peace of mind and to make sure everyone is on the same page. For more on this and other New York City apartment tips, please subscribe to our YouTube channel or go to Frele.com/learn.
And remember, you can always find your next home on Frele.com.